In 1976, my grandparents, Charles and Mary Louise Jacobus, established these prestigious awards as a heartfelt memorial to their son, my father, Paul. My father was a remarkable individual, a 1962 graduate of Dover High School, who left an indelible mark on our hearts and lives. During his years at Dover High School, his unwavering passion and exceptional talent shone brightly, resulting in a remarkable array of accolades and accomplishments. Notably, he served as the student director of the A Choir, contributed to the New Jersey All-State Chorus during the 1960-61 season, and assumed the role of president for the Bel Canto Singers in 1962. His musical journey during high school culminated in the prestigious City Center Trophy for Outstanding Musical Achievement. But my father's artistic journey extended beyond music. He was a shining star in the dramatic arts. His thespian journey included being named a 4-star thespian, an honor thespian, and a member of the National Thespian Society. In the 1961-62 school year, he was crowned Best Thespian. His final act on the high school stage was portraying His Majesty, the King of Siam, in the timeless play, The King and I. At graduation, he performed a heartfelt duet with his leading lady, forever etching that moment among his achievements. After graduating, my father followed his love for music into the Army. His dream was to join the Special Services Unit, where he could continue entertaining and inspiring others. While awaiting assignment, he serenaded troops in the front room at Fort Dix, New Jersey, and later when he was stationed in Germany, his love for music echoed through the barracks. Though his special services dream remained unfulfilled, my father's commitment to music and drama never wavered. He lent his voice to the local church choirs, and family gatherings felt incomplete without the harmonious blend of his siblings and parents, accompanied by melodies from the piano. Everyone he came into contact with felt the resonance of his legacy, the notes of music and the drama of life intertwining. My father's baton, passed from one generation to the next, continues to inspire. Music, as the saying goes, has the power to evoke smiles, tears, and memories. It transports us across time and invites us to dance in the present. Drama, too, shares this magic. In the words of my grandmother, there can be no greater tribute to Paul Davy Jacobus than his generations that followed. They remember and carry on his name and likeness with appreciation for all that is inherited from his life, personality, talents, and love. We give tribute. This moment in time represents the past and the present, and most of all, the future. So today, we honor my father's memory by recognizing outstanding achievement in the fields he cherished. On behalf of the entire Jacobus family, I am delighted to present the Paul Davy Jacobus Memorial Award for Drama to Manuela Gallego. I'm also delighted to present the Paul Davy Jacobus Memorial Award for Music to Tiffany Harris.